Hi guys, it's Channing here. Today I'm coming through with a brand new hair tutorial. In today's video, we're collaborating with Divaswigs, and I have a 22-inch natural black curly U-part human hair wig. I'm so excited to show it to you guys. Just unpacked to show you guys what came along with the wig. Of course, we got a detangling brush, we got our brochure with oh so much information inside, and we also received some wig caps. So we're gonna go ahead and wash it, and then I'll get back to you. As you guys know, I like to co-wash all of my curly strands, so we won't be using any shampoo here. Let's go ahead and jump into it. Ooh, I'm back. Aren't these curls so beautiful? I thought they were so gorgeous. So I'm going to tell you guys about the construction of the wig. We have 2 straps that we have to cut off. We have 2 clips. We have a comb. All of this helps with the adjustments with our part. We have 2 combs at the temple, a comb at the nape, and a adjustable strap. And here I am trying to apply the wig. Guys, I'm not sure who this wig was made for, but I would say it wasn't standard size, because you know, with standard size wigs, you'd be able to at least adjust it to the tightest adjustment and wear it, but I couldn't wear this wig at all. It was just way too big for my head. So I had to call up my girl for a little assistance. So I'm sure you guys remember my sister Hunter. Thank God her hair was already straight. Less work for me. So I pulled out a section. I washed it really well since we're gonna curl it and everything. And here we are about to apply the wig. I wanted to show you guys that I literally had to overlap those adjustment straps and pull the comb up, because it was like rigging it. It was so huge. It was still really big on her head, but thankfully we were able to make it work. So here I am just placing those combs in, and I'm going to add those clips to the anchor braid. I feel like it really helped to hold it in place, because the wig really wanted to fall off and we wanted it to be snug. So after trying so many times, I decided I needed to have a comb or something. I really wish the company had put another comb there, but I didn't have any comb, so I was forced to use another clip. Thankfully, I had so many of those from using clip-ins. So I went ahead and I sewed one of those in the front, but I do feel like a comb would have worked a lot better in this area. Guys, if I had to say the hardest part about styling this wig, it would be this portion of the style. Just trying to lay that U-part area down. I'm sure you saw me lift it up a few times. Although I added the clip, it was still a bit lifted, as you can see. I really wish we had a comb that was installed in there, because it would have made everything that much easier. But I was able to work it out. Knew that we would be adding some crimps to the hair, so it would definitely be hidden. So here I am, I'm just applying some heat protectant, and I'm going in with this cute little crimp iron that I got from Sally's. It was $17.99, and I know how popular this style has been lately, so we just want to give it a try. So ladies, if you have some hair, it has a wavy texture, you don't want to wet your hair down, or you know it's going to be hard to mimic that same exact texture, I think this is a good option for you guys. Definitely give it a try. I loved it on Hunter. So as I continue to curl her hair, I'll tell you guys a little bit more about this hair. The hair color is natural black. The hair length is 22 inches. The hair density is 180%. And of course, the cap construction is a U-part wig. If you guys are interested in any of the Divaswigs, definitely go to their website, divaswigs.com, and I have a discount code that you guys can use. It's YT Channing, and you'll get an additional 10% off. You can find all of this information in my description box, by the way. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I will also provide you guys with the link in the description box. But yeah, it's turning out so gorgeous. I can't wait for you guys to see the end result. So I'm sure someone out there is wondering, Channing, how was this hair? And of course I asked, since I didn't get to wear this hair. My initial reaction to the hair was that it was gorgeous. I washed it, I conditioned it, I laid it out to dry, and as you guys could see, it was very defined. I didn't notice any tangling, I didn't notice anything weird, but my sister wore it for a week, so of course she could give us a more in-depth response. And she said, the shedding was horrible. It tangled very quickly. It didn't hold a curl very long because it would tangle, but she said that it would show the curl. However, it would be so tangled that, of course, she would just say the curl didn't last. It reminded her of a natural hair texture because it was kinky textured. And guys, this hair is by no means silky. You can look at it and you can pretty much tell it's thick. Well, I wouldn't say it's thick, but it's a curly hair texture. And you know how it is when you use heat on curly hair textures. You can actually look at it right here and see that it's not a finer texture of hair. She said it did very well when wet. And that's also my response. But she said on her end that it reverted to a kinky tangled texture, which I told her she should have applied a conditioner. Maybe some conditioner and water at that point, just to see how it would react. But for me, I know I would have probably had a different reaction because I don't sleep in any of my hairstyles. So I probably would have taken it out. So that would cut back on all of the tangling. So at the end of the day, I'd say it boils down to how you wear your hair. But she said this style with the crimps lasted 1 day. So if you guys have an event, I think it's a perfect style. But yeah, we're completely done with the style. She loves it. It looks beautiful. Thank you guys so much for watching this hair tutorial. Again, if you're interested in this hair, check out my description box. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!